Guys, welcome to my new video. My name's Scott Muir from Muir Digital's YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use System.io, how to set up an email campaign. Head over to my computer and I'll show you how to set up the campaign. If you like the content of my channel where I show you how-to video tutorials, reviews of software, smash the subscribe button please and hit the like wee bell. Now let's pop over the computer. Welcome to the System.io dashboard. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do an email campaign using System.io. So firstly, head up to emails and click on campaigns. Then over here on the right hand side, click create. We'll just name the campaign, so I'll just name this the business to the business new, we'll call it. This refers to what I promote, the 3-day business challenge by Jonathan Montoya. I'll show you how I set up my email campaign for it. So again, you can just copy that, stick it in the description too, or you can put more detailed ones up to yourself. Save the campaign. So as you see, it goes to the top here, saying the 3-day business new. There's no email account yet because we've not added any. It's created on today's date. This wee gear icon is to edit your campaign. This here is to duplicate it, and this is to delete it. So we just want to edit it. Sorry, my mistake. That's just to change the title. So you add email to the campaign. We click 3-day business new. It takes us inside the campaign. As you can see, there's no emails here at all at the moment. So you have two choices up here: edit campaign or add an email. So we want to add an email. Add email. So it comes up asking you to fill in the sender name, the sender's email address, the subject, and the type of email. So let me go through this. The visual email, there's only 2 templates at the moment to offer. So I prefer to go for the classic. Means you can enter your own text, images, edit as you see, which we'll go into soon. So as I say, sender name is myself, Scott Muir. Sender email, it's already done because I've added that in my settings earlier on. And then we'll get the subject line. Back office of the 3-day business challenge. Jonathan provides you with 15 email swipes. So I'll just head over there now. This is the email. This is the email swipes here. As I say, there's 15 of them. Provides you with. Simply just open email 1. We'll get this, just copy this subject line here. Oops. Copy that. Head back over to System. Control V, paste that right in. Just that's the title, that's the subject in. Got it in classic editor, the email's in, my name's in. So we just press create. After it creates, you can see all your details are in, that you put in, and it offers you where to put your body of your email. So again, we'll just head back over to the email from Jonathan, and this is the body here. So just copy and paste, simply copy and paste it. My wee copy and paste marker will work. There we go. Sorry about that. And that. Again, we'll just copy and paste. There we go. Why are we not copy and pasting? Tell you what, we'll do it for the bottom up. There we go. It's a long email, this one. So we'll right click, copy, back to the email, and we just put the cursor flashing it, and then we control V it. There you go, simply copy and paste the body of the email in. So now what you do Obviously, if this was your email campaign, this is just for video purposes. We go down and edit all your affiliate links, which will be in here, and customize the email to suit. So after we've done that, back up to the top, and you'll see these three options: save and send a test email, just save it and publish. If you want to send a test email, click this option. This just saves your email on your campaign, but it's not ready to be active. But we want it to be active, so we'll save and publish. Then this menu will come up and it'll ask you the delay before sending this email. So after somebody's opted in for your funnel and you want this email to go out, so let's just say after 4 hours you want it to go out, and here it will ask you what, if you have emails in your sequence, what order you like them to fall in. But since this is the first email, we don't need it. Time when the email should be sent, we don't want to schedule a time. The days of the week, we don't want to do that at the moment, but these options, if you just click the option, it gives you set time. Again, if you click the days, what days of the week you want to get it out. So we just press publish, and there we go. So you're inside your 3-day business new campaign. You get your first email in. It's been sent out 4 hours after they opt in. This here will tell you the contacts, each step of your funnel, the emails sent, the open rate, the total clicks, and your links. So it provides you with all the details you need to know. So we'll add another one just to show you again. So add email. Again, all my details are in because I set them up previously. Subject line, I'll go back to Jonathan's email swipes. Open email 2. Again, it provides you with the subject, sorry. There we go. Copy. Back to your email. Paste. Classic editor again, so as we can add the body. Then click create. It's really a very simple process, setting up an email campaign with System. So again, we go back to the email swipe, get the body of the email, Jonathan writes good emails, don't you notice? So copy. Again, I'm just doing this just to show you guys how easy it is to set up. Again, we just Control V. Again, you'd edit all your affiliate links, and then again, in fact, this time I'll save and send a test email. So it's now sent a test email to my Gmail address, which I set up earlier. We'll head over there and check that, just to show you it's been sent. It's hitting the inbox. There we go, there's a test email we sent. I'll just open it to show you. It's sent from my email address straight into the inbox, as you can see here. Obviously it would be edited to suit your needs, but it's just to show you that it sends directly to the inbox. So now we're back in the System.io campaigns again. So I'll save and publish this email still, and we'll make this one day after the last email. So in this box is after you click the drop down menu, it'll give you the subject line of the last email. So you just say after that, send after that email. 1 day after that email, so you press publish. And you go, 2 emails added in. So you just basically keep adding emails until you've got your full campaign, the total amount of emails you want to send, and that's your campaign set up. It's that easy. So I'm going to show you one other thing in the automation tab, which is part of your email campaign. Sorry about that. So we click automations and then workflow. You want to create a workflow. We'll just call it test for now. Let's create. It then adds it to your workflows. So you press to edit the workflow again, you press the test, and here you go. So create your first trigger. So just click on the box, choose a trigger. A trigger is an action you want to happen to get your client to go through your email campaign. So you want to have them subscribe, and they subscribe into your funnel. So when they subscribe to your form, that's the action you want them to take. So that's your trigger. And then you want them to, that's just my funnel, so I'll just quickly do my free ebook, right? So create. You would have a funnel already set up, which I'm going to do a video for as well, and you can see. So once I'm subscribed to the funnel there, you press the click button, and then you get three choices: action, decision, and delay. So you want to pick action. Choose your action. So here you can apply a tag, so you can keep all your clients under one tag, which I always choose to do, so I'll do that in a moment. I'll just use the 3-day ebook tag, which I already created. So now they'll opt in through your funnel. We'll add a tag to them, and we want to make one more action, and the action will be subscribe to a campaign. So we're looking for the campaign we've done here. It's here, 3-day business new, create. So in the workflow, we'll subscribe to your funnel here. They'll add the tag 3-day ebook, and then they'll subscribe to the campaign we just set up. So that's basically a quick insights into workflows, but workflows can go on and on and on. You could add decisions, like see here, your decision. So when somebody clicks an email, the link's click an email, you want them to click the email link, you'd add a condition. So I should have done that. As you see, person clicked on link the email, so yes, you get another choice to make. You could say, let's for instance subscribe to a different campaign, like say this campaign I've already got set up here, the new emails. So if this person clicked the link, they would subscribe to this campaign, and that's them into another email campaign. If they didn't click the link, you could take action again and send them an email again. So I haven't got any individual emails made up, but you can just create one. But you would just, once you create it, it would be in this drop down menu, and you just send them the email again, and so on and so on. As I say, workflows can go on and on and on. It's a brilliant piece of software, part of the system. We'll just exit that at the moment. And once you come back out to the main menu, one important thing you have to do is activate it. I'm not going to because it's just a test. You just click this wee button here, and it will change to this be active. One more, back to the emails, one more option is you can do a newsletter. A newsletter is just a single email sent out. As you see, I've just sent it once this morning. 64 people sent, and already 4 have opened. So again, I can show you quickly how to create. You just create a newsletter. It's the same idea, but the subject in, so we'll just call it Test Classic Creator. And again, all your details are in. You just like, hi, thanks for opening my email. Typing well today. Blah 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 blah. Over here, you've got options in the settings. So these tags I already have made up. Hopefully you've got some tags too, because you've been using System. So tags are basically divide your contacts into tags. So just like lists basically. So everybody that's purchased my 3-day course, I would like to send them my email, so I just click it. That selects it, and we scroll down. You can exclude tags as well. And then up the top here, you've got the option to save and send a test mail again to double check your work, or save and schedule a letter. So again, you've got options. It's telling you who your tag list is, as you see. That would send a test email. I can schedule it to a date and a time, or I can just send it now. That's basically how you send a newsletter. You can send one every 3 days to your list, offering them some more products. So I hope this was a wee bit insightful on how to set up an email campaign and a newsletter and system. Thanks very much for listening. I'll